On a beautiful day like today, nothing's better than having a nice juicy cowboy steak.
Today we're going to be cooking our cowboy steak on the gas grill. Today's meat is sponsored by The Kosher King and koshermeatstew.com. Check out their link, I'm going to leave them in the description below. A cowboy steak is a nice, thick, juicy piece of ribeye. So get ready, here we go.
Our cowboy is here and ready to be prepped. Start off by patting him down to make sure he is nice and dry. No one likes a wet piece of meat. Now salt him, generously, on both sides of course. Then, we're going to leave him in the fridge for 6 to 24 hours to dry brine and let that salt penetrate deeper into the center. When done, out of the fridge it goes. Spice him with freshly ground black pepper, which is the best way to spice a steak. Since he's nice and thick, we're going to use an internal probe to make sure he cooks just right all the way through. Now set up your grill and get him in on low temp, 200 to 250 Fahrenheit, max. We're going to cook him low and slow until his internal temp hits that 125 medium rare mark. See that? Low temperature. Our thermometer set. We have a while to go. And while we wait, let's enjoy that nice, beautiful weather. Look, almost there. When the time's done, crank up the heat and get him on that blazing hot side. 1 minute per side max, just to get a nice beautiful sear. There we go, isn't that gorgeous? Even get the sides of it. Doesn't that look just delicious? Now out he goes to rest for 10 minutes. He's been through a lot, so let him breathe. It'll be well worth it. Let those juices redistribute throughout the meat and become ever so flavorful. The moment of truth. Cutting through this bad boy yields. Oh, look at that. The perfect cook on a cowboy steak that is packed with meaty goodness, juicy to the max, and overall set for anyone who wants to enjoy a good hunk of quality meat. There you have it, cowboy steak on Impossibly Kosher. How awesome was that video? Don't forget to click the subscribe button down below, give us a thumbs up and ring that bell to get notified of future videos just released. And don't forget to check out The Kosher King and koshermeatstew.com, who are the proud sponsors of this video.